Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. Today also we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can remove all devices from Google account. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, we'll simply start our video. For that purpose, let's go ahead, open our Chrome browser. For that purpose, go to this home page of your mobile phone and tap on this profile icon and go to this manage your Google account option. Now swipe this menu above, tap on the security option given and scroll down till you get this option called your devices, where you can see all the devices that you're signed in. Tap on this manage all devices, and these are the devices you're signed in and you were signed in. You can see these are the signed out option that you are signed out of those, and then you can go ahead, tap on any of the options, and then you will find the sign out, find device, don't recognize something options given. If you would like to get signed out, tap on this sign out option and you will be signed out from that device, and that device will be removed automatically for the matter. So yes guys, this is a very easy way. You can simply go ahead, get signed down. If you are logged in at some other devices that you're not supposed to, or somebody logged you in, you can remove it like that. So yes guys, this is it. I hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll be seeing you guys in our next video.